Nestled deep in the woods on a riverbank lies a remnant of America's industrial past. Once a hydroelectric power plant for a massive industrial manufacturing complex, it now sits in ruins, slowly being reclaimed by nature. Join us as we explore this historic piece of the past. We've reached a small hydroelectric power plant deep in the woods here. It's really cool looking. It is really cool. Look at all the brick. I would say 20s, 30s probably on a date on this based on the construction. So they don't build them with brick like that anymore. It's definitely 20s or 30s. Constructed in the late 1920s, this hydroelectric plant was added as an additional power source for the large textile mill it serviced. As part of its construction, water was diverted from a nearby dam to the plant. The plant provided power for almost 3 decades until the factory was closed in the early 60s. Most of the complex was either demolished or sold off, divided, and repurposed. But the hydro plant was left alone and abandoned. Since then, it's seen its fair share of vandalism and natural decay. Oh, spiral staircase. Oh, yes. Yo, there's a turbine right here. Yeah. It's not completely gutted. General Electric turbine.
That was probably the shaft.
Yep. This would be the generator then, and the turbine would be over here. Yeah. Oh, that spiral staircase is gorgeous. Here he goes. Walking up to the main hall.
Oh, wow.
How's the decay? Oh yeah, there's the central incident.
You almost need like a fisheye lens for in here. Oh, look. Over here's where the water would flow into the place. The lake's in that direction.
Yeah, it would flow into here.
Flow through and then down the river.
Spin the turbine
And then flow down this river.
Just pass around the side of this thing. Looks like it had a single turbine, a single generator. There's a spider, huge spider right there. But you can see inside. That's where and then it powered the generator.
And you can see water level in there. Still see the shaft.
Yep. The top of it's pretty right upstairs,
It would have been cool to see the actual turbine sitting in there. That's really cool looking. Yeah.
My best guess is early 1900s, and it powered the factory over here.
Yeah, probably.
Makes the most sense. This is where the power would come out of the plant and go into the factory. They have wires coming off of these things with the insulators and stuff. Surprised there's still an insulator up there.
Definitely a cool place.
I'm thinking this is early 1900s. Despite the vandalism, this place is beautifully overgrown and peaceful. Let's take a moment to listen to the sounds of nature we encountered while we explored. We were not expecting to see much when we ventured to the spot, but it was pleasantly surprising to see an old generator left behind and a well-crafted spiral staircase, which we had not seen before in other power plants we had explored. Although small in comparison to other power plants and the factory it serviced, this hydroelectric plant still provided us a glimpse into the past which we gratefully embraced.
Once we get
Thanks for watching today's episode. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to both like and subscribe to get notified when new videos are released, and also make sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook to see photos and live videos from all of our explorations. You can find links to those in the description below.